So things that we can practice with Tally, for example, hey, I often ramble in English, helping me more clear and concise. Let's actually, let me actually show you. Can you see my screen here? I would love to quickly show you what it looks like because I think it's much more fun that way. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it through while you type it, your questions and everything in the chat, and I'll address them in a moment. So let's see.
Hi, Sonia. Great to have you back. How can I help you today?
Hi, Tally. I work in an international company and I feel like I always ramble. Like my message is not clear. Can you help me be a little bit more clear and concise?
Absolutely, Sonia. We can definitely work on that. What's one type of situation where you'd like to sound more concise? Meetings, emails, or something else?
Yeah, mostly in meetings. Like maybe you can give me some helpful strategies and maybe helpful phrases.
Sure thing. We can go over some key strategies and phrases for staying concise in meetings. Let's start with one scenario. When you give an update on a project, how do you usually begin?
Yeah, I don't know. I start giving a lot of context and then I start rambling. I say too much. I speak too fast and then I don't know. I feel like my message gets lost.
I see what you mean. Let's try a simple technique. Start with the main result first, then add just a bit of context. Want to give it a try with a quick example?
Ooh, love. I love that. Actually, I'm in a rush, but can you send me a quick summary with everything that you recommend and helpful phrases? I'll check them out later.
I'm writing up a quick summary card of this concept for you. Give me a moment.
Awesome. Yeah, I like that. ¿Me lo puedes explicar en español también?
Claro, puedo explicarlo en español también. Primero, revisa la tarjeta resumen en inglés y luego te doy una breve explicación en español. Cuando la veas,
Okay, yeah,
dime.
that's fine. I actually would love to get some exercises, like very tangible ways to put this into practice, if you can do that for me.
I see. I'm generating a practice scenario for us to work on. Let's get those exercises ready.
Great. And while you do that, can you also help me with pronunciation?
We'll definitely handle pronunciation practice right after these exercises. Go ahead and check out the exercises on your screen and let me know your thoughts.
Yeah, that's great. But actually, I see a word in here that you, and thanks for the exercises, by the way, but I see one word here, deliberate. How do you pronounce it?
Good catch. That word is pronounced deliberate when it's an adjective, with the stress on the second syllable. Deliberate. If it's the verb, it's deliberate. Want to give it a try out loud?
Deliberate?
You're close. Let's slow it down a bit. Deliberate. Put the emphasis on the second syllable. Give it another go.
Deliberate.
You're almost there.
Mhm.
Let's slow it down even more.
Okay.
Deliberate.
I think that's fine.
Emphasize that.
Yeah, we can practice later. Let me look at the exercise. So during context, what is the primary purpose of the result stage? Let's see, maybe to describe the final outcome. Okay, cool. How about this one? The key point is maybe they're summarizing. Oh, yeah, I didn't get that right. All right. So I think I have to go, but thank you so much for this. I have to go, but yeah, it was very helpful. Thanks, Dali.
Glad to help. I'm generating your progress report for this session.
Awesome, thanks. So here you can see that I got a report. Understanding and foundations like vocabulary and grammar were good. But yeah, sharing my ideas and conversation skills, that wasn't that great for me today. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick run through of this because I find it super exciting and there's so many things that you can actually practice today. Yeah, thank you for the hearts. I'm very happy that this resonated. It's very exciting. We've already heard so many great things about it, so I'm very excited for you to try it. I'll put the links in the chat actually because I feel like there's a lot of great things that I think you can practice for sure.